Well, it looks like Christian Janik's time with Team Green is over, posting on his Instagram saying, quote, "My time with Race Kawasaki has come to an end. I can't thank everyone enough for all the support I've received over the past several years. This has been truly the greatest life experience, and I will forever be grateful for everything. Thank you so much, Ryan Holiday, for believing in me and supporting me through it all. I wouldn't be where I am today without all support." Now this comes after Loretta's this year going 9-9-10 in the overall or open pro sport, and then not a very good showing in the 250 pro sport, going 15 did not start. That's racing, stuff like that happens. As far as I could find, as far as I'm reading, there's no information on where he's going or what team he's going to. But if you're how you want to say this, a team greener, if you're one of these, one of these kids, you're gonna end up somewhere. You are the best of the amateurs. So there's no doubt that somebody's going to give him a ride, or at some point you're going to be see him race again. But that's why I ask you guys. Comments down below. Where do you think he's going to end up? Would you like to see him end up? Would you have happened to like to see him stay with Kawasaki? Whatever it is, comment down below. Tell me what you think. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really does help me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.